Good morning, everybody. My name is Alexander. Today is the 25th of November, 2022, and this is my chart breakdown for today. To recap from Wednesday, this market was around here, where I said we are at a level where we might get a retest of this point and a drop back down, or a push to this level and a drop back down, or a push to this level. Since the market had been giving us higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and I said this higher low was not confirmed until we got a break back up here, or we got a retest of this level here. We got that bullish push. You can see that this level was taken out. What do we expect now? What is expected now is if we go on the daily, we would see a little bit of bullish presence, bullish, bullish, bullish. But if you understand the overall push is bearish. So we have a retest of the trend line, of the bearish trend line. This is just a steep counter trend of the bearish move. It's a bullish retracement in a bearish move. So what we do have now is like a retest of the weekly level. You can see a lot of buyers exhaustion up there. You can see some type of buyers exhaustion here also. And what we expect to see is more buyers exhaustion on the H4, some type of transition on the lower time frame for us to start to be sellers in this market, to resume the selling stance. All right. For those that don't understand and would want to take it slowly, and a break of this level or a break back into this trend line level, a nice bearish close back into this trend line level, and we become sellers who might want to push the market back down. Let's take this out. Let's take this out. And yes, let's take that out and take this out also. We might see some type of rejection from here, but if we see a nice bearish close below this level, then we would be sellers. If not, a break of this level or a bullish break above this level, and would be buyers. Simple. USD CHF. USD CHF was around here. Was around here where I was saying we are getting a retest of this level here. We might get a bullish push only if we see a break of this level here. We would be buyers. If not, we want to see how the market will fare when it breaks back into this level. We see it go back to this level, and currently it is giving higher lows on the wicks, signifying that there is some type of bullish presence. So if you go on the daily, you'd see some potential form of double bottom with sellers exhaustion here, and sellers exhaustion yesterday. Potentially, you see a higher low forming, a potential morning star forming also on the daily. So all these are confluences that you see to risk the buying pressure. We have some type of bullish engulfing meet an evening star pattern. So you could be a buyer up to this level that should be around 30 pips, or a buyer back up to this level here. that would be give or take 50 pips. And if it breaks this level, then we are back into the bullish price action, as potentially a this might be a higher low from this level. We also have a retest of this line here, of this support here, that did not break previously. Still did not break. Bullish doji, bearish doji, bullish. So a lot of confluences. The only way we become sellers is when we see a nice bearish price action below this level, or when it gets here and we see a nice bearish price action, then we might push the market lower. US 30 did not move well, but it was around here on Wednesday, where I said we might just see the market come back to this green line, this weekly level, and reject off of it. We see it get to that point and has been consolidating a lot, annoyingly. So we might just see this market push back down as expected, or we'll just see a break of this level and we are pushing the market to the next daily level, or it is a weekly level. So this point here. So if it breaks this level, then we'll push the market higher. If not, then we might want to push the market lower. The week is almost over. The week is practically over also. We can see that the week holds strong. So let's see the other weekly candle of the other pairs. So see potential 1, 2, 3, and this is also painting. So we can only speculate. We can't say what it will do. We can only speculate. So down to BTC now. What do we see on BTC? BTC held that low here, held the low here. There's a retest of this counter trend line here. There's some type of rejection, but we see coming back to this level and giving some type of buyer's exhaustion. But on the low end, if we go on lower time frame, we would see that higher lows have been painting seriously. Several higher lows have been painting. Yes, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So this point is being respected. We only become sellers when this point gets taken out. Simple. We can only resume the selling pressure when that point gets taken out. If not, this market might push a little bit higher. But right now, we are currently in a bearish territory. So the market might push lower. All right, so that's all for my chart breakdown for this week. Today is Black Friday, so we might see a lot of push in the markets if there is a lot of consumer, if a lot of consumers want to do the Black Friday thing. So we might see a lot of buying power for the USD potentially if the consumers want to buy a lot of things. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow on all social platforms, and join the Telegram group. And I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Goodbye. Have a good weekend. God bless.